All right, today we're gonna do a cabin air filter replacement. Here's the air filter. Very easy job. It's in the glove box over here. Open it up on the sides, push on the sides left and right, and push it down, and you'll see the cabin over there. All right, here's inside. This is the filter. 2 latches right here and one right here, and you pull it out. Very easy. Ooh, this one is dirty. All right, third step is removing this. Very easy to do. Comes out. Here's the airflow arrow. Use the exact same one. Take this one out. Here's the airflow on that one. Twist it over here. Make sure it's clean. Put it inside. And we are ready to put it inside. My clean air filter. We just go in here and put it back inside. Very easy. Snaps back in. Snap it back in. And do both sides. Push it in. Push it in. And you're good to go. You are all set.